Hey everyone, Mark here from Visual Pro Detailing. We have got this awesome Ford Bronco. We have done a whole bunch of stuff too. We did front matching ceramic film on the side windows to match the factory. We did a 70% front windshield, really light, but it's gonna block the heat and the sun and give some anti-glare and shading effects as well. Then we did our Pro Elite ceramic coating package. Paint, trim, wheels, glass, everything after doing a extensive detail, a full step of paint correction. And man, this little SUV, what is it, off-road vehicle, it's a little bit of everything, is absolutely glowing. We ended up putting Crystal Serum Ultra on the paint to help with the bugs since it is so much paint on this beautiful ride. And this is going to be looking great, easier to clean, easier to maintain, no wax or sealant for many years. If you'd like to get a paint correction, ceramic coating, window tinting, give us a call, 618-983-9706, or you can go to our website, which is visualprodetailing.com.